Normal lens is a type of photographic lens that closely replicates the field of view of the human eye. Wide-angle lens is a lens with a shorter focal length than normal lens. This make its idea for photographic expensive scene such as a landscape, architecture, or an large interior. Telephone lens is a lens with a longer focal length than a normal lens, allowing it to distance subject. Macro lens is a specific lens designed for extreme close-up photographic, allowing photographic to capture small subject in great detail. Zoom lens is a type of lens with a variable focal length, allowing the photographic to zoom and out without changing lenses.